Yo, my heart goes out to all Nigerians out there because your government is very somehow.
I am a dear sweetie. Hey, sweetie. We love, baby.
This one I got you with the jabba. I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that back. Biggie man, we don't be where I back that. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all depend. They catch it, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all depend. They catch it, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to do on my way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. From my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. Tell me, what's it go?
Hey guys, good evening. Come back from work. I went out to get bread and akara because that's what I was craving this night. So that's what I'm having for dinner. But I stumbled on these cookies. Yeah. So when I was growing up, my mom used to make cookies, right? And my nail just popped off, by the way. And when I saw this looks just like the one she would make. But it looks like... Sorry guys, I just got interrupted. A video call by my mom. And my mom's own, oh my goodness, is sweeter and has more milk. I want to eat because I'm starving. I also need to take down my curtains. I'm getting them washed tomorrow. So, yep. Hey.
I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? Chihuahua, all depend. They can ride the whip. I know feet, different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. From the people, then go say I know.
Hey guys, they're back. Let's put them back up. You guys, self-sabotage is a real thing. You know how you're like, it's too good to be true, like something has to be wrong with it, and you consciously or unconsciously ruin it. Oh god. Hey guys. So it's much later now. Honestly, I don't know if I want to put that clip in here, but if I did, big ups to me, editor Adia, because rewatching that shit will not be easy. But I want to show you guys clothes that I got. So yeah, so my style is changing, and I'm trying to build my closet with pieces that I actually like. For the longest time, I was buying clothes that I didn't like, believe it or not. Because growing up, there a certain style of clothes my mom used to buy for me because I am a big girl, and she used to want me to hide that. So she would buy clothes that were like overly sized so that there would just be a lot of room in them. So for the longest time, I would buy clothes like that, right? So it took me a while to kind of like know my size, know what I like, and all of them things. So right now, I'm switching out a lot of things from my closet. I am filming a closet clean out makeovers. I don't know, I'm just cleaning out my closet. And I'm taking out like a lot of clothes, and so I want to show you guys this one before I put them in the closet. It's from the brand thrift thrift by Any. It's popping, shall we? Like, how cute if you see this thing on me. Okay. Okay, so you know how I said I'm getting to know my size. So I know I wear a big 8, and I know I wear a 10 comfortably, right? I am a 10, right? But I mean, like, I'm also a big 8. So this is a 12, and it fits, but the fit is a bit roomy. Do you get what I mean? But I don't mind it because this is a really short dress. So this is a 12, and it just has like this little inside top. You know the pictures. I'll put a picture here on the screen. Like, what? Look at her. She's so cute. This is from Boohoo. This is one. It's just like plain black top. Honestly, this is giving me Kai. If you know, chill. I put this one last because 2 reasons. One, it's a bit big for me, but it's not too bad. Like, I can definitely finesse it. I mean, but you guys, this thing came dirty. But like, I told the vendor, I'm like, why would you send me something dirty? But she did refund me for this top. I just wanted to show you guys because I thought it was such a cute top. It's really cute, but it looks very worn. Honestly, I'm about to edit for the night. Catch up on YouTube. Today is the 1st of August. Girl! Happy new month. I pray that this month brings you nothing but good news, nothing but open doors, nothing but answered prayers, nothing but more heights. Love you and cheers to a new month. Oh, you guys, you're protesting in your country. Me, I'm South African center, yo. But yeah, they're protesting in Nigeria, and yo, my heart goes out to all Nigerians out there because your government is very somehow. But now my government shall, like, you guys is on. Yeah.
I know one time, I know one moment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all depend. The cash, ride, go. I know fit, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all depend. The cash, ride, go. I know fit, oh now.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside.